But we're starting our show off today with images that have been caught on CCTV camera in Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. You're going to be seeing pictures right now of 4 masked men with machetes vandalizing a supermarket in the town of Kanchipuram. The incident has been caught on CCTV and is going viral in Tamil Nadu. It shows a gang armed with machetes vandalizing a supermarket while many innocent bystanders and customers were present there. It is alleged that this was part of some kind of a gang war, a rivalry between two groups, and the attack was allegedly to collect money from some of those shops in the area. The police are now investigating this entire shocking incident, all of it captured on camera. You can imagine how terrified the other shoppers were as these 4 men armed with machetes walked into that shop and started breaking up and destroying equipment and supplies stored there. India Today's Akshaya Nath live with me for a quick take on this. Akshaya, disturbing images from Kanchipuram district. What was going on here? Rivalry between two groups. This is scary stuff.
Oh, well, Shiv, that is what we're being told right now, that it was a gang rivalry and people there, these two gangs were involved in getting money from supermarkets and other shops that are there in that region. And the gang rivalry led to people coming in masks and attacking the shop itself, vandalizing the entire shop. We can see a few men wearing helmets and a few others just covering their wearing a hat and covering their face with a mask. And it was a time when there were customers in the shop itself, Shiv. So it's extremely shocking that during peak shopping hours, people having the courage to go and attack and vandalize an entire shop. We're seeing that the footage is now going viral. The CCTV cameras visuals are extremely shocking, Shiv. You can see the fear with which people keep running out of the shop itself, and we can also see the shopkeeper trying to come and pacify the people there. At the moment, a police investigation is going on to identify the 4 masked men, and necessary action will be taken against them, is what we are being told by officials also. But those are very shocking images from Kanchipuram, a district which is very close to the capital city of Chennai, Shiv.
Those are murder weapons in the hands of those men. Thankfully, nobody was injured. Thankfully, nobody got hurt in this horrifying act of violence in a supermarket in Kanchipuram. We'll get you an update on that in just a minute. Those images, as always, first here on India Today. Akshaya will be getting you more.